I'm recording right now.
Wait.
Okay. What do you mean turn on? Okay, go.
Oh shit. Yeet.
Okay, let's go. iZone unboxing video.
Alright, you first. Yeah, I'll hold it, dude.
No, I'm one man recording. I told TJ it would.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Hey, wait, you open it for me. Yeah. You.
Okay, chill, dude.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Color version first. Don't ruin the pages.
Okay, I don't know how to open it then.
You okay? You hit from up here.
I know, chill, watch this.
Don't hit the pages. Don't. What are you doing?
I can't cut through, I need like a knife.
No. Watch. You're gonna ruin my pages. Fucking piece of shit.
Yeah.
Here, record then. Watch. No, I didn't touch anything.
This is the color one for? Oh no.
This is color.
Color?
Yeah. Oh, fuck. This is not working.
I can feel the disappointment coming.
Shut up. What are you talking?
Hey, one. Okay, can we hurry up?
We need lights.
I'm actually getting
This is
excited.
production.
If you get Pt.1, true trading.
Eyes on me. Photo book first, and then we'll go through the photo card.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait, let's see it.
You just show Jang Wonyoung. Scroll through.
Shut up, I just want to see.
Okay.
Alright, nice flip. What? Ano ba yan?
Wait. Oh, it flips. What the?
Okay, you want to flip it? Your girl's right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh my god. Wait, how am I gonna? Whoa, wait, I'm fucking it up. Okay.
Oh my.
Okay, skip. Oh, skip. Wait, that's Nako.
Yikes.
Ooh.
Oh, it's still Nako.
Sakura now, you idiot.
Oh my god. You just ruined the picture.
Oh, I didn't wash my hands.
You just ruined the oil.
Ooh.
Oh my
She looks
god.
so good there. Jesus Christ.
Yikes.
Oh.
I didn't.
Oh. We can go through this.
Oh, he has
We can
3
go through this
pictures.
real
She
quick.
has 3 pictures.
Wait, everyone has 3 pictures.
No, they
Idiot.
have 2. Look.
Look, Minju 1, 2, 3.
Oh, fuck.
Fucking idiot. You think your girl's special?
Yes. Yikes.
Wait, and you said there's only 2.
No, flip.
What?
Yikes. Underage.
Wait. What? Oh, they had no space. Wow. Draw.
Wait, show that.
What do you mean?
Oh, yeah. Of course.
This is a poster. Okay, we can go through this real quick. Windy, by the way.
Oh my god. Wait, stop. Oh. Ano buhay yun?
Pictures the fuck.
Japanese. Wait, the song ended. Replay.
Play the whole album.
Oh yeah, you right, man. Oh, it's right there.
Oh, it's already playing. It's red bar. Yo, Ada.
Fuck, this is dumbass kid talking.
Oh my god.
Oh, that close up.
Oh, I skipped one. Yeesh. Oh.
We already saw these.
Ooh. What do you mean? Did you saw this?
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's right. Skip real quick.
Oh
Okay,
yeah.
That's for Kevin. Yikes.
Oh yeah. Who's this? Tommy.
Hichan.
Oh. She's not. Next. Okay.
That is what it is. What are these
Okay.
jean shorts? What the?
Flip it. That was a good picture.
Yeah, yikes.
Oh.
Wait, I didn't
Whoa,
see this.
whoa,
This is so-
whoa.
Oh, you zooming
No,
into
my
your
bad, my
girls.
bad.
Nice cameraman.
That's his girl right there.
My legs are
That's
shaking.
incoming photo card.
Okay. Wait, I actually don't get the Jang Wonyoung flip. No! I didn't see. Joe Yuri!
Yena.
Oh, I'm so happy. Show him the. Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, that's one down. That's good.
Wait, where's the photo card at?
Jang Wonyoung flippable, right? Yeah. Joe, show him flippable.
Everyone gets this.
Shut up.
Alright, get the fuck out of here. Alright, flip.
Wait, no, wait until the end.
Oh, you're right. Ania.
What is this guy doing?
Alright, opening 2.
Fuck.
You need a knife.
Wait, this is so packaged so badly compared to the Luna albums. What the fuck?
You need a knife too?
I got it.
Face will get disappointed soon. We got spoiled one.
I think I saw Pt.1. Is that her?
No, that wasn't him one.
What was that?
It was Minju.
Huh? Oh. Okay.
Okay, this is the better one, right? Still a V on Rose one, right?
Oh my god. It's holographic. Okay.
Ooh. Oh, yes, yikes.
Flippable.
Nice.
Flippable. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, zooms into his
Nice.
girl.
What the fuck is it? Hello?
What? That's Nako. What's wrong with Nako, you idiot?
You're gonna fucking ruin your...
Okay, no, I'm not. Look, I'm good. The 12 girls. Okay. Oh, my legs are shaking.
Oh, you're checking too.
Whoa.
What the fuck?
It's just a name.
Whoa.
Okay, chillax.
Whoa.
Wait, they use the same picture. Wait, 3 times.
Whoa, wait, no. Wait, flip
What do
it.
you mean? What are you doing?
Flip
You
it.
told me on the right.
Oh.
Wait, it's the same picture over and over. You got scammed, boys.
Oh, they have
Wasted page. Look at this.
Can you shut up?
Shut up,
Whoa.
Ooh.
She's like a bad girl, dude.
Oh.
Keep looking at me like that.
Bad girl. Shut the fuck up.
Joe Yuri.
Oh, look at that jawline.
Who's this?
It's Joe Yuri.
Fucking
Idiot.
looks like a Neko.
Okay, whatever. Play the jawline.
What jawline?
Right there.
Non-existent.
Shut up. You're zooming into her ear.
What the fuck is it? Can you smile?
Why are you?
What's this
playing
dead ass
that?
look?
Everyone's playing the bad.
Wait, go back.
I will go back.
Yikes. You know.
Ooh, duck lips. Ooh.
My bad.
Okay. Why are you?
Oh, my bad.
Why are you?
I knew Jin. Oh god. Okay. Nothing exposed. I like it.
Just you, Jin. You know. Mamma mia.
Never mind.
That's such a good color. Nako.
Skip.
She looks so good. What? Why are you making fun of her?
Ooh, he told me. Oh wait, that's not he told
Are
me.
you?
Yikes! Oh shit. Anyways. Woo! Whoa!
Whoa, it's just whatever. Yikes. Keep it going, boys. Keep it going.
That's the face of someone who wants.
Okay, keep it going.
Kang Hae. It was spoiled.
Fucking K1, dude.
Same face.
That was good. Okay, this is Hitomi now.
Oh, she doesn't look so cute. What are you flipping so fast for?
My hands are cold.
Woo!
Yikes, we can go through this real fast.
What the fuck? Oh!
Can't go this. That's actually a good picture.
Oh, whoa.
Okay, we can go through this real quick.
Oh yeah.
Next. That's for Kevin. Next.
Woo!
Okay, next.
Look at that
We can
flower,
go
though.
next. We're not here for flowers. We're here for fucking iZone.
Lee Taeyeon.
Okay, this we can take it slow. What are you doing?
Oops. Oh, look at that earring, dude.
What are you doing? We're looking at iZone, not earrings. Oh.
Oh, that purple
that
hair.
I was gonna say
Yeah,
that.
shut up.
Lyrics, okay.
Right. Okay. All right. The big reveals. Oh, that looks like Sakura.
Fucking.
Oh, he told me.
He told me. It is. He told me.
Yikes! The one he didn't want.
Okay.
It's a sign now. It's a sign.
Okay. Go. Wait. I'm gonna do one at the end.
Yeah. We'll both
Check out the theories. Okay.
All right.
Alright.
So basically, we're gonna see the same things anyway. So.
All right. This is the Wonyoung.
Okay.
Where my albums go? Is that mine?
Yeah.
Oh, take care of this. Oh, they're actually smaller than I thought. Okay, they've seen the pictures, so we're gonna go through it fast, okay? It's 10 minutes already, what the heck?
What the fuck is?
Wait, you didn't open it
I
yet?
didn't open it yet, man. All right.
Are you done?
Two of the
Oh,
exact same albums.
don't touch mine, eh? What are you doing? Shh.
Oh, what the fuck?
What?
Hello? They mispackaged mine.
What do you mean, mispackaged?
It's already open.
Eh?
Don't tell me.
No, I think it's like that on purpose, no?
You took my fucking.
Open it!
Wait, chill, dude. I don't want to.
Wait, what if they low-key took it?
Yo, imagine. I'd kill them.
Yo, where's this guy's posters? Yikes. Yikes.
What the fuck? Am I
Movie
blind?
Bado? What?
Bro, I think I'm blind.
What?
Yo, shut up. I can't see. Let the light come. Yo, what the fuck? Wait, it wasn't open. Oh, there we go. I got it.
There, this is. Oh, fuck, no, it's super. No, this is good. Is it? Is this feel good? I'm not even sure. The music's definitely out of here. Yikes, boys. Move this aside.
I need to wash my hands.
No, who cares? You didn't eat anything at all, anyways.
Alright, you already saw this? Oh, wait, do I?
Oh, that looks so good. Wait. Oh, colors. With my shadow over it? Okay, go.
Dude, I'm so scared the things are.
I think you should open it from the back so you don't get spoiled from the cards. Yeah? Wenji.
Let's try to.
Oh,
Oh my, yeah!
Shocker right off the bat. This guy's getting lucky.
Getting lucky. I'm calling it, boys. Wait, I just have to see where the photo cards are. Okay, tell me where the photo cards are gonna come.
Want me to like put it like this? Oh, okay. We're smart, dude.
Fuck.
We're 200 IQ.
Alright. A quick run through.
Run through?
Can't skip the first one, obviously. Alright, next is Sakura.
Zoom through. Look at this. It's 13 minutes already.
Yep. You already saw this, you already know.
Oh,
Joyuri.
Oh,
Yeah. Duck Girl.
What do you mean duck girl?
Where was
Oh,
he?
Jaina.
And Jin.
Oh, I need Jin. Oh, 15%.
Okay.
Okay.
Who's next? Quan and B, right? Oh shit.
What are you doing?
You just
One and B.
show
Okay,
one
nice.
picture of everyone.
Nice. Looking good.
You told me?
He told me. Looking fresh. Okay. He told me.
Ooh!
Okay. No need for that.
Okay.
Okay, you can keep
Okay,
going.
my bad, dude.
What is this guy doing? What the fuck are you gay ass?
I didn't even say anything.
Alright,
we-
next.
Take
We can
some
have
time to
Lorenzo.
appreciate a woman.
We can have Lorenzo's face instead of Minju's face.
Alright. Next.
Hey, next.
Oh, wait, this is yours, dude.
What? Is that mine? Oh, it is mine.
Why do they package this one so much? Yikes.
Go, let's go, dude. You want to take longer? Literally, half this video is ripping that out.
It needs to be long enough to pierce.
Okay, go.
Like that.
Got it?
It's for some legit boy.
Muscles, by the way. What song is this?
It's their slow song.
Oh. Okay, backwards. I'll flip it.
Okay, you ready to see the CD? Please.
Oh yes, CD.
Please. Oh! I got DJ on, okay.
Chill, it's just the CD plate.
What? Wait.
Okay, go through the book real quick, and then we'll do the big meme.
Dude, the colors are...
Wait, oh yeah, the colors are obvious, huh?
Okay, there's my Jang Wonyoung one. Obviously, it says something special.
Yeah, where?
Yeah, it says right there.
Where? Seems
I love
empty
you,
to me.
Lorenzo.
Yikes.
Okay, just like I said.
Get through it.
Alright, same shit, same colors, you know the drill. 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, 12.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
so that's
my
a good
bad.
picture.
That's such a good picture.
This is like irrelevant.
What are you, stupid? Next. Not even worth showing.
Show her! Show her!
Showing.
Show her!
Oh, that's not worth showing too. Yikes. This guy's ear is more interesting.
Yeah. Oh, hey, what?
Bro, it's gonna be a 20-minute video.
It's fine, that's how we do it.
And me. Wait a minute.
Stop, don't look!
The color though.
Stop, don't look!
The color though.
Alright, that's Choi Na, blah blah blah. This is Lee Cheon.
Are you rushing this so much?
Oh, let's just take
no.
time.